Go ahead and start it. So it's running like it should, pumping good water. Forward. Neutral, reverse. Then cut it off, start it up. Okay. So this is one that came in, been in the family, and it didn't run. And someone has really been messing with this thing and doesn't know what they're doing at all. And it's really obvious. I don't know where to even start. It's a new starter, but that's so bizarre right there. Those washers don't belong there. This belongs at the top. The aircraft nut isn't bottomed out because they've got 2 extra washers in there. That business is about ready to come off of there, so it needs to get taken off. This goes on top. Those washers get taken out of there, and then the starter won't fly apart. Who's ever had it off, that screw right there, see how it's holding it on? That's the wrong screw. That's the one that goes here that holds that on, because that's the long one. This is a short one. That wire's just twisted. It needs to come off of there so it's not that way. They've got a screw here and a nut there. It's because they lost the right one. We'll probably try to find the right one and put it on there. Fuse holder is out of place, needs to be in place. They had all the linkage adjustments wrong. This was turned, and that was one of the main things that was causing the problem. It was turned like that so it was on, and that's the emergency start, and it has to be in that position. All the adjustments were off. I just have to go through. I mean, it's just amazing how many things were off. So we're going through it. This just now that it runs, we're not going to have to do the carburetor, since all the adjustments, once you put them back in place, it seems to run fine. But that's where we are, and we're running on our tank.